Okay, let's do it in Spanish. Uno. Uno. And. 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 Seis. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis.
My back is up.